How do I combine two data frames? I have an initial data frame D. I extract two data frames from it like this. I want to combine A and B into one data frame. The order of the data is not important. However, when we sample A and B from D, they retain their indexes from D.
Deprecated. Dataframe.append and series.append were deprecated in v1.4.0. Use append. And to keep their indexes, set ignore_index equals false.
Use pd.concat to join multiple data frames.
Merge across rows. Merge across columns.
If you're working with big data and need to concatenate multiple datasets, calling concat many times can get performance intensive. If you don't want to create a new df each time, you can instead aggregate the changes and call concat only once. This is pointed out in the pandas docs under concatenating objects at the bottom of the section. Note, it is worth noting however, that concat, and therefore append makes a full copy of the data, and that constantly reusing this function can create a significant performance hit. If you need to use the operation over several datasets, use a list comprehension.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.